Anything wrong, please hit the phone. Tell me you know the number. 856-625, won't get the rest. No numbers. Tell no snitching. No snitching on the line. Sounds got work for me. Calling on the line. Tell you, no, I don't know that. No, I don't need that. Leave me alone, you fucking lame. I don't need that. Just click on the nigga. Tell him real fast if you want beef. Just go click on the nigga. Go click on the nigga. Come on now, please love. Drop the vapors. Motherfuckers. They don't get it till it's hardcore. And you show up and they turn it off. Oh, it's so scandalous. So tell a nigga,